9 job offers, 1 portfolio. Let me tell you how I did it. So, a bit of a storyline here. It all started back in 2020, just fresh out of school, university. I studied computer science and I just started, applying for jobs, just putting my resumes out there, trying to get anything. And I wasn't getting any responses at all. I mean, apart from the rejection emails, of course, they never forget to send those. So I remember talking to some of my friends. I was like, I'm applying for jobs. I'm not getting any luck, any tips, And they asked me one key question. They were like, do you have a portfolio website? And I remember I was like, no, is it really that important? And they were like, yeah, it's really important. You really should get one. So it was around the time I just learned React. So I was good with like HTML, CSS. So I could quickly put something together, which I did. And then I started using the link to apply. It was included in my resumes. I started applying for jobs with my portfolio website. And I noticed it did make a lot of difference, actually. I started getting calls from recruiters. And one thing most of them said was, I checked out your portfolio. It looks really good, right? And that was good to hear. So lots of calls transitioned to lots of interviews transitioned to lots of job offers. And I'm going to show you the portfolio I used and how I can help you do the same. Let's go. Looking back, it actually looks very simple, right? I just have an about me section. Then I had a place to showcase my projects. You can go to view all projects and they had this cool animation. You can go back, add a work history, showcase my work history, place to showcase my education, and then a place to showcase my skills. So that was 2020. This is 2025. I like to think I've grown a lot, right? I've learned a lot, and I actually rebuilt the same website 5 years apart. These are some key improvements I would like you to implement in your website today to make it stand out. First things first, your website should really showcase your skills as a programmer. It should really stand out. If you want to put in a lot of effort into it, I think recruiters can tell if it's a template you got from the internet. Another thing you can do is, your website should have a way where you can showcase your social links or social platforms. So you can link your GitHub, LinkedIn, YouTube, or whatever you have. Another thing you want to do is make sure it has ways they can contact you. So I have the email link and a phone link where they can give me a call. Then you want to have a way that the recruiters can download your resume. So I have a button here that when they click, they're able to download my resume. So you also want to showcase these sections, projects, then your work history, your skills, your education. Recruiters can also go to individual pages where they can view all your projects, all my work history, all my skills, and education. Another thing I've included is a chat AI where recruiters can literally chat with the website. They can ask my portfolio website questions about my portfolio. For example, how many projects uses React? And as you can see, it's come back with answers. Again, AI right now is the boss. So you want to make sure you include a project where you've used AI. So for example, in the homepage, you want to put your latest project or any project that you've used AI in. If you also click on the projects, we're able to go to the projects page where the recruiter can learn more about the project. Lastly, you want to make sure you go above and beyond. For example, I've added translation to my website. So as you can see, it's now in French for French speakers and English for English speakers. I've also added theming to the website. It looks good on both dark and light themes. So these are just ways and things you can do today to improve your website and make it stand out from the rest. That's it. So if you want to know exactly how I built my website, I actually put a course together using Next.js, AI, styled components, other good stuff. And it's going to be down below. I'm going to leave a link. I built it it's on Udemy with the cheapest coupon code I put. I don't know how long Udemy is going to let me have that there. But feel free to check it out. Feel free to leave a comment, leave a like, follow, subscribe. And if you want me to just take a look at your resume, your portfolio, websites, I'm more than happy to do so. And I will be sure to give you my honest reviews and see how I can help you. All right, guys. Catch you next time.